Alright, today I'm going to be cleaning the rear floor mat of an E36 BMW's floor mat's not too bad, so I'm going to do a way I like to do without using an extractor, so I don't have to soak otherwise fairly clean floor mat. I hope you guys like it. If you do, please subscribe. Alright, here we get the vacuum cleaner, just vacuum, get any loose debris off of it. I go one way, one way, and then one way the other way. Make it a little crosshatch pattern. Make sure you get any debris that's stuck. Make sure that anything that's stuck between the little fibers comes out. So everything's pretty much done. I point out a few little areas where it needs a little work. So I take the pumice stone and I just go again in a crosshatch pattern. First down, then I go side to side. Pumice stone will help get any loose fibers off of it, any hairs, dog hair, even some crumbs that are stuck in between the hairs of the floor mat. So here I go the other way again. So once the floor mat's all free of debris, I take LA's Totally Awesome. I dilute it about 3 to 1, 2 to 1, and then I spray it over the whole floor mat lightly, and then I make it a little bit more of a direct spray, and I spray it in some of the more problem areas, a little dirtier areas. This product's $3.99, and I'll add a link in the description for it on Amazon. So I take the brush, I brush one way. This is I believe this is a floor mat brush. I flip it around. I brush it the other way. Again, crosshatch pattern. Helps to free up any debris and get everything out of it. I take LA's Totally Awesome again. I just do a light coating over the whole floor mat. And I go one more time with the brush, up and down and side to side. And the floor mat wasn't too bad. If it was worse, I would have hit it again with LA's Totally Awesome, or even done it with a less diluted version. So I got it when I like it. I'm going to blot the floor mat dry with a new microfiber and clear out any of the leftover product. The twisting motion helps lift out any of the dirt that's stuck between the fibers of the floor mat. Here I have Interclean, it's a Chemical Guys product. I dilute it in that bottle, and I just do a really light coating just to get it soaked a little. I take a brand new brush. I believe this one is a tire brush actually. I use this one only to do lines with, so that way it never gets any hair in it. Right here, I go up and down, and then I flip it around also, so you can only go up, up, up. A lot easier if you flip the floor mat around versus going up and down. So that's one way I do it, and then the other way that I do it would be doing like a rising sun pattern right here. Or, you can just go side to side, make a little pattern, or you can make it even again and just do no pattern at all. Just brush it all one way, make it look nice and clean. Alright, well there you have it. It's pretty clean floor mat for barely any time at all. Please subscribe. All of the products I use will be in the description. And if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thanks.